Welcome back. State is still in a mood of celebration. Party workers are holding victory rallies to congratulate their elected representatives. Have a look at the rallies held in various parts of the state.
खूप वर्षांची तपश्चर्या फळाक आयली. गेली 24 वर्सां म्हाका दिसता हांव भारतीय जनता पक्षाचें काम करता. शुन्यातसून उबें जाल्लें काम हळू डिपॉझिट घालयणारो लक्ष्मीकांत दार्सेकार डिपॉझिट सांबाळूंक लागलो. मागीर आमदार जालो. आमदारकेचे 2 टर्म जाले. फावटीच्या मेळ्ळ्या संदेची पुरेपूर वापर करून ह्या तालुक्याचो पूर्ण चेहरो मेहरो बदला.
Prudent Media.
Now news from sports. Salgaocar Sports Club held on to defeat Churchill Brothers in the Super Cup semi-finals. Regulation time could not separate the two clubs and it took a penalty shootout in which the Green Brigade boys held their nerve to come on top. A goal by Salgaocar's Ishfaq Ahmed led the teams into the half-time break, but Churchill Brothers not only equalised but went into the lead as well. But Salgaocar equalised before the full-time whistle and took the match into penalties. Salgaocar won 5-4 to book a spot in the Super Cup finals with Dempo Sports Club. Watch Savio Dias' report.
A reporter from Fatorda, Savio Dias.
The Dhule Stadium will soon be seen wearing artificial turf. It will be for the first time Goan footballers and fans alike will have a chance to play on such a pitch. Phase 1 of the work is completed. Greenfields has undertaken this job and are a world-renowned company who have laid artificial turf around many grounds worldwide. Greenfield India's Deepak Kandolkar told Prudent that Phase 1 of the work has been completed successfully and Phase 2 will begin in the next 10 to 14 days.
This is the very stadium we have seen some epic Goa Professional League encounters. Then may it be the season openers of this season's Pro League or age group matches, they have all taken place here. Thousands of teenagers have learned their skills at this ground over the last decade and have gone on to play for big clubs. For whatever sentiments attached with this ground by any footballer who grew up playing here will be uprooted, only to cultivate new ones, as Greenfields are in the midst of their project of laying artificial turf at GFA's Dhule facility.
We have started this work, artificial turf, last month, and most probably it will be completing up to the second week of May. They have promised us that they will be completing within 15th of May. Actually, they were supposed to complete by 15th of April, but work is little bit delayed because of the contract which was not signed by the All India Football Federation. That's why it had delayed for few days. Now it will be finishing by 15th May. See, and this will be advantage for all the people from Baldes, mostly the football players and I-League teams, especially to practice in the monsoons. That will be more advantage.
Greenfield India's Deepak Kandolkar told Prudent over the phone that Phase 1 of the work has been completed, which includes earthwork, drainage, cutting drainage lines and a bottom one-time compaction. Phase 2 will be taken up once the compaction dries naturally and will take another 2 weeks or so. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte from Mapsa.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.